I'm Jamie and welcome to our new channel, The Average Kitchen. We want to make this intro video to show you who we are and what content we're going to bring you.
Hey guys, I'm Mark. Jamie and I have been friends for a long time, and one commonality we have is we love food. And even beyond loving food, we love to cook food. So we came up with this concept of being able to put together some YouTube videos for you to follow and check out how to make some amazing meals with a little bit of prep work on an average budget.
So Mark's the chef, so he's going to show you some meals that look and taste amazing. I'm going to make him look good and keep this train on the tracks behind the camera. Once in a while, I might pop in, who knows.
So welcome again, guys. Thanks so much for checking us out. Let us know, what is it that you want to see? Leave a comment, we'll get back to you. Thanks again. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. And remember, always rest your meat. And remember, season your food.